the tiller will be properly packaged to prevent damage during transportation and storage. Use the tools shown in the video to open the wooden crate. Remove the secured rivets, then pry off the housing. Exercise caution during unboxing to avoid safety hazards from improper operation. After removing the top panel of the crate, first take out the accessories. Then dismantle the side panels of the crate in the same manner. After removing the planks, watch for protruding rivets that may pose safety risks. After unboxing, you will see the accessories displayed in the video. Install the locking pin and use a jack to lift one side of the machine. Turning the jack clockwise raises it, counterclockwise lowers it. Tires consist of front and rear wheels. First, install the heavier load-bearing front wheels. Ensure proper hole alignment before installation. Then secure with clevis pin and cotter pin. Install the other 3 wheels using the same method. Next, install the seat bracket. Align the holes and secure with mounting bolts. Then install the side mounting bolts separately. Mount the seat onto the seat bracket. Use the switch on the side of the seat to adjust its position. Next, install the engine muffler. First, remove the bracket and washer. Then install corresponding parts and muffler, as demonstrated in the video. Secure the muffler with nuts. Install the muffler exhaust deflector. Next, install the front anti-collision frame. First, remove the bolts at the engine base. Then remove the top mounting bolts. Position the front anti-collision frame and tighten the bolts. Next, install the cup holder. Secure with 2 mounting bolts. After installation, conveniently place your water bottle. Then fill with engine oil, diesel fuel, front crankshaft oil, and rear crankshaft oil. First, unscrew the engine dipstick to add 4-stroke oil. Oil specification: Winter 5W30, Summer 10W40. Use a funnel to add oil. 1 L4170 F195F engines, 2 L41100F engine. Unscrew the fuel cap to add diesel. Diesel type, regular unleaded diesel. Unscrew the front crankshaft dipstick. Add 4.5 liters oil to front crankshaft. Before adding rear crankshaft oil, install the steering wheel. Rotate the steering wheel to facilitate oil filling. Unscrew the rear crankshaft dipstick. Add 2.5 liters oil to rear crankshaft. Then install the battery. First, place the rubber anti-vibration pad. Position the battery in place. The shock-absorbing pad must fully wrap the bottom of the battery. Install the battery retention bracket. Ensure full engagement and tighten bolts to prevent dislodgement. Connect electrical wires after battery installation. Connect the relevant wires to the negative terminal first. Then connect other wire harnesses to the positive terminal. Next, connect the lighting main harness. Secure wire harnesses with zip ties after connection. Next, install the fender. Turn ignition key to power on. Headlight test. Left turn signal test. Right turn signal test. Turn off signals. Horn test. Front crankshaft gear. Position indicators. R indicates reverse. 0 indicates neutral. 3 neutral positions. 3 is high gear. 2 is medium gear. 1 is low gear. Note: shift to neutral before starting to reduce safety hazards. Rear crankshaft gear indicators. 4 gear positions in rear crankshaft. For WD mode suits daily operation. Gear 3 for paddy fields, muddy terrain. Gear 2 for soft ground. Gear 1 for hard surfaces. Throttle control handle below steering wheel. First move, throttle handle to mid position. Note: it is recommended to shift the front crankshaft gear position to neutral before starting the machine. With sufficient battery charge, start the machine using the ignition key. When battery power is low, use the hand crank to start the engine. Press and hold the decompression lever, then pull the rope pulley 3 to 4 times. Prime the fuel lines with diesel from the tank. First pull the rope pulley to its full extension point, then press down the decompression lever. Then forcefully pull the rope pulley to start the engine. After starting, control speed with throttle handle. Push throttle handle to lowest position to stop. Note: start in low gear 1 before using higher gears. For non-tilting operation, use for WD mode in rear crankshaft. Engage parking brake before driving to prevent accidental movement. Release parking brake to begin normal operation. After selecting gears, depress clutch to start driving. Warning: brakes are ineffective when clutch is depressed. Warning: release clutch to activate braking system. Note: rear wheels lock when rear crankshaft not in for WD. All wheels rotate normally in 4 WD mode. Speed comparison of front crankshaft gears: 1/2, 3. Therefore, we recommend starting with gear 1 before using higher speeds to prevent safety hazards from improper operation. Front crankshaft reverse gear stacks. Use rear clutch to push machine on steep slopes. Release clutch to disengage drive, then apply parking. Push throttle handle to lowest position to stop. Install tiller wheels, using same method as rear wheels. Next, prepare to install tiller blades. If blades have dual orientations with 4 blades per set, install blades as video demonstration. Position blades as shown. Flip any 2 blades with same orientation. Arrange blades as demonstrated. For sequential installation, if bolt holes on blade bracket have equal distance from edges, either end of bracket can connect to machine. Bolt orientation should oppose machine connection point. Insert bolts first for blade positioning. Install blades sequentially following arrangement. Place spring washer before tightening nut. Temporarily tighten nuts. Fully torque. After all installed. Continue installing remaining blades. Note blade installation method. With overlapping arrangement as shown. Tighten bolts after confirming correct installation. Install extension shaft before 3rd blade set. Align mounting holes. Insert extension shaft into blade bracket. Insert locking pin and secure with cotter pin. Install 3rd blade set. Install 4th blade set. One side blade installation complete. Install opposite side blades using same method.